Hey guys, it's Bobby from cigars.com here. It's November, so you know what's coming up quick, Thanksgiving. And also, we have another Cigars of the Month box here for you. Nothing better than after you're finishing your Thanksgiving meal is to have a cigar. So hopefully there's one in this kit that will pair well with your turkey. First up in this month's kit, we have the Aging Room La Bohème Poeta. This cigar is named after an opera house, and it was blended by master blenders Rafael Nodal and AJ Fernandez. This is one of the first time these industry giants have used a hybrid Connecticut broadleaf wrapper, and that beautiful, gorgeous wrapper really adds some awesome flavor to this cigar that you're gonna love. Under that beautiful Connecticut broadleaf wrapper, we have binder and filler tobaccos, both from Nicaragua, making this a Nicaraguan puro. Some flavor notes that you're gonna pick up while smoking this cigar is a bit of peppery spice, cocoa, leather, and some wood notes. This is a great addition to your humidor and an awesome cigar if you're just starting out or if you've been smoking for a long time. Next up, we have one of my favorite limited edition lines from Crowned Heads. This is the Blood Medicine B Positive. Now this one keeps the same interior components as the original Blood Medicine, but it has a Nicaraguan Corojo wrapper that adds for a little bit of a meatier profile. This Toro includes Nicaraguan fillers with an Ecuadorian Connecticut seed binder. Smoking this will give you tastes of pepper, charred oak, roasted legumes, and sweetness that will linger on your palate. If you guys missed out on this limited edition cigar this year, you're in luck because we've included it in the Cigars of the Month kit for November. Next up in the kit, we have the Tadascan Connecticut Robusto. This cigar is heavily influenced by a cigar legend, Julio Eiroa. This beauty has a golden Connecticut wrapper, a Honduran Corojo binder, and a mix of Honduran Habano and Corojo fillers that give you a balanced, mellow to medium-bodied smoking experience. Another interesting thing about this cigar is that it actually has a sweet tip. So when you're smoking, you may pick up a bit of sweetness and also some creaminess and some flashes of pepper in there. The Tadascan Connecticut Robusto is one that you definitely do not want to miss. Next up, we have a new one to the Cigars.com family, the El Mago Triunfante. El Mago Cigars was created by Nicholas Fusco to honor his grandparents. Their ability to overcome their struggles is where this cigar gets its name, Triunfante, which is Spanish for triumphant. This cigar is handmade in Nicaragua, and the 6x52 Toro includes Nicaraguan fillers with a Corojo binder wrapped over a beautiful Ecuadorian Connecticut shade wrapper. This is an awesome mellow to medium bodied smoke that will give you some flavor notes of nuts and spices. So if you haven't heard of El Mago cigars, definitely check them out on cigars.com, and we've included one in your kit to try out. Last but not least in the kit, we have the awesome Oliva Serie V 135th Anniversary Edición Limitada. Now this cigar was created to commemorate the 135 years the Oliva family has been around. One thing that you'll immediately notice with the Oliva Serie V 135th is that it is a really unique shape. It has a nice tapered foot and it adds for a great smoking experience. For its binder and filler tobaccos, this cigar features a blend of specially fermented Nicaraguan Ligero tobaccos that were grown on the Oliva family farms. The wrapper is top shelf Ecuadorian Habano that has been grown in Ecuador's mountains. While traditionally Ligero tobacco is intended to be extremely strong, the aging process of these tobaccos in the cigar adds for a nice smooth flavor profile. While smoking this medium to full-bodied cigar, you'll pick up some flavor notes of coffee, cocoa, wood, and some sweet spice. As the cigar evolves, when you get towards the second third of it, those flavor notes will become a bit more pronounced and it'll be an awesome smoking experience for you. This anniversary cigar is truly a special one to round out November's Cigars of the Month box. Thanks again for watching November's Cigars of the Month box. Hopefully there's something in this kit for you to enjoy, and make sure after you stuff your face at Thanksgiving dinner, you save some room for one of these bad boys. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the channel and on this video, and we'll see you next month.